and gentlemen, welcome back. Ross Automotive. Buick LeSabre, I think. Yeah. Customer complaint. Some noises coming from the front. Now it's getting hard to steer. I was going to test drive it. I decided against it because I already got a good idea what's wrong with it. I'll bring you all along. Let me get this thing here racked up. Get it up on a lift, and we'll have a look. So, got something new. Might as well make a video. It's gonna be a short video. Like I said, I already knew I wasn't going to want to drive it. All right. Now everybody thinks they know what's wrong with it. Well, you do not. This will be the time when we'll go a little bit higher and we're going to go underneath. Somebody is not paying attention when they lift and stuff. They crunch the pinch welds. So let me flip that camera over here so I can see. Now I'm yelling in the camera again. All right, let me fold this up a little bit and get this thing turned around. Okay, so okay, that's inherently bad. The steering rack in this thing needs to be replaced. But what the actual problem is, ladies and gentlemen, I've got to get you back some, so let me get focused in here, my good old self. Right there, guys. I hope the camera is in the right place. That's your rack. So the bolt, oops, let me make sure that you can see. I think you can still see that right up here. Yes. Alright, so the bolt is completely missing out of there. The other side is still in there. That steering rack has certainly got issues. I'm thinking that this here is actually something that the this lady here, her husband is a mechanic, so what I'm being told. So we're going to try to find us a bolt and stick it in there and call that lady up and tell her, well, you got a bad steering rack, which I'm not going to be too concerned about right now because he's probably going to want to fix that, and want to lay this thing back down like I just did, literally just did that just now, and we'll go ahead and put a bolt in there and squeeze it, and that would be a fix for the moment. But the steering rack is leaking apparently on both sides, so that will have to be replaced. So I thought I'd bring you along. This is pretty interesting. I mean, although we obviously not really fixing anything here, and you know, we're just putting the bolt in something, but it's an interesting find though. Not every day that you see something like that. All right, guys, girls, whatever. I'm going to end the video right here because I'm going to have to see if I can find a bolt that fits it, which I'm sure is in my bolt bin, so I'll leave the camera on. I suppose I'll leave that camera on. Got no idea what size it is, so alright, so first try, we got a good knot of thread on that, so that bolt will be sufficient to go in there. Here in the shop I use 10.9s, meaning they're a little bit better than, it's a little bit better grade. It's like a that's like a 5 point something in a US. This is, by the way, this is an M10 by 60 in case anybody is wondering. Again, that's an M10 by 60. Now, we'll stick that in here. Pinch the ever-loving Dewey out of here. Now I know what some of you may be thinking. Something wrong with the threads on the back side. I can assure you there is not. Bear with me just a second. We'll grab this 19. That's what the head is on this bolt. And we'll see if that don't tighten up for us. Back side of that frame, the nut is actually welded on, and as you can see already, I am pulling on this. There is serrations on this body. So that's what actually grabs the metal here so it can't slip out. So that was essentially left loose. The other side is loose as well. I mean, it's not loose, but I've done it at least a good half a turn on the nut. So this be the time when we're going to end this video. Ladies and gentlemen, appreciate y'all. Leave some comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Well, silly me. I should have done this. Obviously that's fixed. If I go a little bit harder, of course. Now we're smoothly moving both sides. This has been it's been like that for a while. Obviously that's not just started. That's been like this for quite some time. Alignment completely out, I'm sure. So that has to be addressed as well, but for right now, that should get them where they need to go.